Welcome to this exploration of leptons, one of the fundamental building blocks of matter. Leptons are a family of elementary particles that play a crucial role in the structure of our universe. In this video, we'll discover what makes leptons special, learn about the 6 different types, and understand how they fit into the standard model of particle physics. From the familiar electron to the mysterious neutrino, leptons are everywhere around us, shaping the very fabric of matter. So, what exactly are leptons? Leptons are fundamental particles that do not experience the strong nuclear force, which is the force that holds atomic nuclei together. Unlike quarks, which make up protons and neutrons, leptons exist independently. There are 6 types of leptons, organized into 3 generations. Each generation contains a charged lepton and a neutrino. Leptons are an essential part of the standard model of particle physics, which is our best description of the fundamental forces and particles in nature. Leptons are organized into 3 generations, each with distinct characteristics. The first generation includes the electron, which has a negative charge, and the electron neutrino, which is electrically neutral. The second generation consists of the muon, also with a negative charge, and the muon neutrino with 0 charge. Finally, the third generation contains the tau particle with a negative charge and the tau neutrino, which is neutral. Each charged lepton has an electric charge of -1, while all neutrinos are electrically neutral. This generational structure mirrors the organization of quarks in the standard model. Let's start with the electron, the first generation charged lepton. The electron has a mass of 9.109 times 10 to the -31 kilograms, which is equivalent to 0.511 mega-electron-volts per c². It carries an electric charge of -1 elementary charge, which equals -1.602 times 10 to the -19 coulombs. Unlike the heavier leptons, the electron is completely stable and does not decay. Electrons are responsible for all of chemistry, as they form the electron clouds around atomic nuclei and participate in chemical bonding. Moving to the second generation, we have the muon. The muon has a mass of 105.66 mega-electron-volts per c², making it 207 times heavier than the electron. Despite this mass difference, it has the same electric charge as the electron, -1 elementary charge. Unlike the stable electron, the muon is unstable with a lifetime of only 2.2 microseconds before it decays. Muons are commonly found in cosmic ray showers in Earth's atmosphere, created when high-energy particles from space collide with atmospheric molecules. The third generation brings us the tau particle, the heaviest of all charged leptons. The tau has a mass of 1,776.86 mega-electron-volts per c², making it 3,477 times heavier than the electron. Like its lighter cousins, it carries an electric charge of -1 elementary charge. The tau is extremely short-lived, with a lifetime of only 2.9 times 10 to the -13 seconds. Because of its large mass, tau particles are only produced in high-energy events, such as those in particle accelerators or certain cosmic ray interactions. Let's compare the 3 charged leptons side by side. In terms of mass, the electron is the lightest at 0.511 mega-electron-volts per c², the muon weighs in at 105.66 mega-electron-volts per c², and the tau is the heaviest at 1,776.86 mega-electron-volts per c². All 3 share the same electric charge of -1. However, they differ dramatically in stability. The electron is completely stable and does not decay. The muon has a lifetime of 2.2 microseconds, and the tau decays incredibly quickly in just 2.9 times 10 to the -13 seconds. Now let's turn our attention to neutrinos, often called ghost particles. Neutrinos are nearly massless particles with no electric charge. They interact only through the weak nuclear force and gravity, making them incredibly difficult to detect. Neutrinos pass through matter with almost no interaction whatsoever. In fact, trillions of neutrinos from the sun pass through your body every single second without you ever noticing. Their elusive nature makes them one of the most fascinating and mysterious particles in physics. Just like the charged leptons, neutrinos come in 3 flavors, one for each generation. The electron neutrino is produced in beta decay and nuclear reactions, such as those occurring in the Sun. The muon neutrino is created when muons are produced or when they decay. Finally, the tau neutrino is generated in interactions involving tau particles. Each neutrino flavor is paired with its corresponding charged lepton in the same generation, maintaining the structure we saw earlier. One of the most remarkable discoveries in particle physics is that neutrinos can change flavor as they travel through space. This phenomenon is called Neutrino Oscillation. An electron neutrino can transform into a muon neutrino or a tau neutrino, and then change back again. This oscillation behavior proves that neutrinos must have non-zero mass, which was a groundbreaking discovery. The existence of neutrino mass requires modifications to the standard model. The discovery of neutrino oscillations was so important that it was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics, highlighting its fundamental significance to our understanding of the universe.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.